This is my AR chambered in 300 blackout. We are going to be going through a proper functions check and the cycle of operations. First thing you want to have is a clear working space and to remove the source of ammunition. We will remove the magazine, rack the bolt to the rear, and then make sure that the weapon is clear. This is a clear firearm. We're going to send the bolt home. With the bolt home, pulling the bolt to the rear, this will unlock the lugs. Pulling it even further will extract the casing. Pulling it even further will eject the round. At this point, we are going through unlocking, extracting, and ejecting. The bolt all the way to the rear, it then cocks the firing hammer. And with it going forward, if there were rounds in a magazine, it would be feeding into the chamber, which consists of feeding and chambering at this point. The lugs would lock in, locking the bolt into the firearm. And once the trigger is pulled, it completes the process of the cycle of operations with firing. In order to perform a proper functions check, you want to make sure the weapon is safe, pointed in a safe direction. There is no round in the chamber. The weapon is on safe. With the weapon on safe, you pull the trigger, make sure that it does not fire. With the fire selector switched to fire, you want to be able to pull the trigger, and hear the firing hammer hit the firing pin. With your fingers still pulled onto the trigger, you want to cycle the firearm and then slowly lift your finger off of the trigger, hearing it reset. One more time, just so you can hear all the movements. Should be a very robust thunk of the trigger reset. Once that's done, put the weapon back on safe, cycle the weapon, make sure that safety still works. With that, we've completed cycle of operations and a proper safety check.